All right, so how do we actually add blog articles to this new website? So what we're going to do is, in the past, you would write this yourself. And I've spent so much time jamming my fingers on the keyboard, writing hundreds of articles for blogs myself. And that was kind of before ChatGPT came out. This was years ago. And so now what we have is we have lots of great AI to help us do this. So we're going to use two different approaches here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to create 50 different blog topic ideas for mattresses. Then we're going to take those ideas and we're going to use something called Koala AI to actually write those articles for us. Because ChatGPT, it's great for ideas, but it's not the best as a writer. You can kind of tell it's created by AI. Whereas if we use Koala AI, which I'll show you in just a minute here, this takes things into consideration that GPT doesn't do. So it thinks about search engine optimization and makes sure that the readers are engaged, and it makes it feel a lot more human or human written versus ChatGPT. So let's go back to GPT and let's ask it to create 50 different blog ideas or blog topics that we can then feed into Koala AI. Okay, so now it's spitting out 50 different ideas. And seriously, you should be using AI for so many things in your business. I neglected it for like the first year that AI came out. I wasn't using it, and it's amazing how much you can do. This would probably take me 3 hours to come up with a list like this, and this is taking instead 30 seconds. So then all we have to do, let's copy the first one here. So top 10 mattresses of the year. Let's copy that, and we're going to go to Koala AI. All right, so I will leave a link to this below in the description as well. So you can see here that the pricing is really not bad. For $7 a month, you get all these different features. You can do 180,000 words per year, and you get other things as well, like it will help you to create images as well, which is super cool. So let's say we want to just go with the basic plan here with the essentials just to get started. So let me do that now. All right, so I've signed up for Koala here, and now we're going to basically create this article, and this is going to be so much faster than anyone could ever write it, and honestly better than people could write it as well. So we can choose what model we want to base it off of. There's ChatGPT 4.0, there's 4.0 mini, there's Claude Sonnet. I actually really like Claude Sonnet. I think it's probably the best one, and it's great that we have that option to use that. And then we have our target keyword. So remember that list we just made from ChatGPT. I'm going to just paste in the first topic there, which is top 10 mattresses of the year 2025. Then we have SEO optimization capabilities. So we can have this default. We can do this manually, say what other keywords do we want this article to target so that we can rank better. But let's just go with default because I do trust Koala for creating this article. And then it can even create AI images for us and even YouTube videos for us, which is really cool. So let's have it auto generate some images for us for this website. We can have these a little bit lower quality. We don't need them to be crazy, but that's pretty good. Max images. Let's say we only want 5 images in this article. It's SEO optimized, perfect. Countries, United States. We can even decide if we want this written in the third person or first person, second person. So let's go with third here. And then we can just click on create articles. We can even make like an FAQ section as well, which is super cool, or like key takeaways. Let's say we want that and improve readability, and then click on create article. And so right now, Koala is spinning up this article for us. We're going to take this once it's created, and we're going to put it into our website that we made with Hostinger. So we can see here that Koala has made this beautiful blog article for us for our website, even with these images that it created using AI to help the readers decide the best mattresses for themselves. Now, you should go through this and read through it and make sure that everything looks correct. But this is how you can see, like, this made this in literally less than a minute. And so you can see how you can quite literally make 100 blog articles per day on a number of different websites, and it's going to save you a ton of time. Okay, so we can click on download here, or we can just copy it, and we can go back to our website, and we can insert this into our website to create our first article. And so the way to do this is we just go to posts here, and we're inside of our WordPress dashboard. We click on posts, and we go to add new post, and we can just paste it right here inside of it. And so there we go. Let's just make sure that the title is in the proper location here. So add the title there, and maybe we want to make this the heading, for example, and we can change the size of this. We can make it bold. We can make it smaller if we would like to. It's pretty easy to do all of this and to customize it. And then all we have to do is click on publish. You can also just save it as a draft if you would like. But now we've just posted our first blog article on the website, right? And so here it is. I know it's not perfect. We could, modify it a little bit better. We can change this banner as well. But for, just doing this in like 5 minutes, you can see it's pretty solid, right? And so if we click on blog, you'll see our article will show up right here. This is our first article that we have written, and they will all show up in this blog section for us for our website. And so now the whole goal of this is just rinse and repeat. And the way that we're going to make money with this is by embedding our affiliate links inside of these articles. So for example, for mattress number one here, right? So we'll talk about mattress review number one, right? We can get an affiliate link from DreamCloud Hybrid. So let's go to Google and let's see if they have an affiliate program. And it looks like they do, right? So DreamCloud has an affiliate program. You can find this by literally just going to Google and typing in whatever brand it is, affiliate program, and we can see that they have a program. Let's see how much it pays. It's probably going to pay us at least a few % commission for that, and we can join it. Click on join now, and then go through the process of becoming an affiliate partner with each one of these brands that we talk about in our blog articles. And then we take that custom link, right? Because we become an affiliate marketer with specific brands. They give us a custom link, and we take that custom link and we paste it inside of these articles. We basically hyperlink it so that people can click on it. So when they're reading through this and they say, the DreamCloud, it sounds pretty good. Let me go to their website. They click on the link and it takes them to your website. And now if they end up purchasing that mattress after clicking your link within a certain period of time, you will get paid by DreamCloud Hybrid for sending them that customer.